the IndusCom KDK knockoff installed. Now it's a knockoff of a KDK, obviously. Now this is one of IndusCom's only knockoffs. I think they only have 2 knockoffs. It looks just like a KDK, except it doesn't have the logo in the center. Anyway, there's an IndusCom 2011 up here, and the motor for it sadly burnt out. So, just took that down and put this up since I had it, and I just took the blades off of this and put the IndusCom blades on it. Yeah. This fan was also made in 2011. So the bearings are good now. They spin up now. That's the point. So yeah, it looks just like a KDK. Anyway, this is discontinued because it looks just like a KDK. Yeah, let's start with low. Using the same regulator from the old fan, because this one didn't have one. In fact, there's the old regulator. But again, this one's also burnt like the other one. That's low. Actually, a very slow low. Some sort of, oh, okay, that's not a good speed. Stop popping. Okay, back now. It's time to set this to high. I hate that speed up there. I don't know why, but every time I set it to this off, it pops and it scares me. I'm too easily scared. Just I've been doing this for so long and I've been surprised by electronics. It's just, I'm still scared. Yeah. It's not the best in this comic. It doesn't blow much air. It blows air. A good amount of air for this size room. Yeah, the difference from this and a KDK is the motor. This is a completely different kind of motor. It's just the only thing that they really ripped off is the canopies and housing. So, really good fan. When these fans come new in the box, the center does look like that. It doesn't come in gold like the KDK. It comes in more of a silver. Yeah, it's just as powerful as a KDK too for a knockoff. Usually knockoff fans are very bad. There's a windy knockoff of a KDK, and it's bad. It blows no air, and they break down all the time. Yet they're still so popular, because they're so cheap. Yeah. Lower canopy scraping. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was Aircat1234. Thanks for 625 subscribers. Bye.